the Lashita Twig Stove. Two different ways. Stick on the top cross arms. You can have one way. It's going to lift it up higher off of the wood, off of the fire. Another way is going to cause it to sink down a little bit. So it's your choice. First way, right here. Let me see. Get this in there. You notice this is pointed up. The slit right here. Make sure you're over that. Push that down in the corners. There you go. Anything that sits on top is going to be higher. Larger pans, larger pots will work fine. See this? Now, switch this around. That's all you do. It's already locked in there. See? There you go. It's down a little bit. That will hold smaller cups and things of that nature. Obviously stainless steel or iron if you have it. This is a good stove for the money, that's for sure. All right, the questions often come up on these little twig stoves. Actually, this here is a large twig stove. Can it utilize a grill? Yes, it can. Sturdy. Now, obviously, if you offset it too much, could use some stainless wire if you want it. Just run it through there if you wanted to do it that way, if you feel better that way. But there's no need to. Keep your steak, your meat portion centered. Flip it over. Cut it in two portions if it's too big to go over there, or use a little bit of stainless wire to hold it. But is it sturdy? You bet. Here's another. This is from Hellfire Bushcraft grill. Yeah, they're a little bit wider, a little bit shorter than the other one. But as you can see, sturdy. It will work. You can do this just with a twig wood grill. It's good. So, if you have a heavy duty grill, a little bit thicker wires, it will work fine. Yes, it works. And if you can custom make one or purchase one that's to these dimensions up here or somewhere around there, that would work better. But a little stainless steel wire, little piece here, a little piece there, hold that baby down there, that would really be great. Now, makeshift piece from another piece of stainless steel cookware setup we have someplace. I just grabbed these. Now this here's thinner wire, but will it work? Once you find a good center point, yes it will. So do you have anything like this laying around? Stainless steel, it will work great. Now this Twig Stove, really, to be honest with you, is an all-around stove for backpackers, hikers, campers, bushcrafters, whatever. It works, and the fuel is basically free. Grills, all different sizes, will work in a twig stove. A twig stove. One of the best inventions so far. Just to show y'all, that soot comes off. Soot. See? Black soot. Just in the video you just watched. See? It all comes off. Cleans up. This here is going to change color. That's okay. It's the way steel is. If the steel was a lot thicker, it'd be a lot heavier. No one would buy it because no one wants to backpack it around. But for the most part, you can clean this right up as soon as everything's obviously cooled down. Not going to catch anything on fire. You can clean it up, scrub it up if you want, or let it get the patina on there. Let it go, just wipe her up so it doesn't get everything all sooty and blackened that you use. Same thing with your pot. Now this is still kind of hot. And wipe off some of that. But you see that there? This is going to be okay. You can clean it up a little bit if you want, but that's all right. These pots, this stove is supposed to get this color. It's just the way it is when you burn twigs and wood, things of that nature. Thought that tip would help. This is the Lishata. It's a good twig stove. You can fashion yourself a little poker if you want. Adjuster. Looks good. Doesn't weigh much. Throw that in your pack. Whatever. And there you go. I hope this tip helps. That's pretty much empty. All right. This is wood ash. It's good for your plants, good for your garden. The whole point is, this is your twig stove. It's all done. It's all cooled off. Basically, you just disassemble it. When you disassemble it, just to keep everything clean, when you go to put it back in your bag, just wipe it off like this. No need to scrub it unless you want to. May want to do that, but it will discolor just the way it is. Just take this thing apart. Figure out how it went together first. Where's the opening? There's the opening. And you can pack that again right in your bags. Get smacked in the face if I don't watch it. Like I said, that way you won't get stuff all over your bag, your pack. Just wipe it off a little bit. Use any rag you want. And there's usually where all the ash is and loose things. Just quickly wipe it down. You can, like I said, you can get it as clean as you want. It's up to you. Just wipe it down. And you are done. Fold it back together. Go ahead and line everything up. Put it back together. Put it in this little pouch that it came in. And you're ready to head out. It's that easy. That's how you do it. Thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate it. Leave your comments below.